Hello, Python lesson 36, Python logical operators and or not. Example program. Step 1, open PyDrive 3. Step 2, type the following code. Step 3, click the run button. Codes given for and output of this program is true. Code given for or and the output of this program is true. Code given for not, output of this program is also true. Both conditions must be true for AND. At least one condition must be true for OR. Not reverse the result in the not operator. Okay, thank you.